Captain Smirk, and I'm with the USS Restoration.
Welcome to Superior, Captain Smirk. I'm Emperor Itman. How may me and my people be of assistance to you?
Well, the Federation received a faint distress signal coming from this sector.
I don't see how that can be, Captain Smirk. My people here on Superior live stress-free.
But if that's the case, then let me extend my apologies, and in doing so, present you with a parting gift. Engineer?
To show my gratitude in return, I would also like to give you a gift before departing.
Quarter beam up.
Quarter beam up, Captain. Forward up.
What I do with this case?
Drop it off at the scanner.
It was a great trip, Captain.
Yeah, it's about time to get some R&R.
Hi, 169. How are you?
Hey, how you doing, Mr. Chicken?
All right. How was the mission?
Oh, pretty good. Hey, you need to take care of this for X-ray clearance?
Yes, sir.
I gotta go to the bridge. Can you take care of this for me?
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
All right.
Hey, how you doing, Engineer Hassan?
I'm doing all right. How about you, Boo 69?
I'm pretty tired. Hey, how your experience in the trip?
It was pretty enlightening meeting new species.
Oh, that's
How about
good.
you?
Me? I'm pretty tired. I worked for 3 days straight, and I need rest.
Speaking of tired, I need to go see my wife, Fatal Peril.
Hey, sir, what's going on over here? Are you sleeping in the job? Checking the monitor. Check it out.
We've got a disturbance in Sector 3.
This is Lieutenant Gomez reporting to the disturbance on Sector 3. Set your laser on the stun. Ready? On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Nurse Johan.
Yeah.
Is this our patient from Sector 3?
Yeah, he was brought in our restraint, sir.
Okay.
Can you check the signs?
I'm checking his vital signs. Please record the information I give you.
Okay, Doctor.
All right, our readers indicate that he's got significant blockage in his synaptic fibers.
Okay.
Rapid pulse rate that is much beyond normal.
Okay.
And it seems as though there's some other symptoms here I can't recognize. Dr. Stein.
Dr. Stein. Here's a report.
Did you check the computer?
Not yet. Doesn't look good. Not good at all. This guy's got a bad case of VT.
VT?
Real bad. Violencia terribilis.
Oh, wow.
Chronic Jack.
We all quarantined. We can't go on. That's a serious problem we have here.
It might destroy the whole ship.
Violencia terribilis. It's been since the 21st century since there's been such an outbreak. Not since the Man Alive program came into effect. Violence was eradicated from planet Earth. What's this?
Captain's log, 1202. Stardate 2326. My ship is in dire straits. If we don't find a cure for this virus within 4 hours, all of my crew will be infected and violence will overcome us all. I have 3 heroic volunteers who are willing to try a very risky procedure. Their mission is to travel back 3 centuries in the space-time continual fluctuator, and then to learn the secrets of the Man Alive program and to retract its essence. Without their safe return, I will have to destroy the ship at 1402 hours.
Captain, sir, The volunteers are ready for departure.
I'll be right there.
Hey, Captain, do you really think the mission will be successful?
I don't know, Boost 69. You know, we have a 50-50 chance, which is more than what you have at this point. Checkmate.
Boy, am I ever nervous. Is this what it takes to be a hero?
Yes, I'm so excited. How about you?
No, not really. Didn't have enough R&R with Fatal Peril.
Men, are we ready?
Yes, sir.
You know this mission is imperative for the survival of humanity. So, intern, do you have all your medical schematics?
Affirmative, sir.
Specialist Wilson, do you have all your technical support?
Yes, Captain.
Jose,
Yes, sir.
alien engineer, are you ready?
All accounted for, sir.
Okay, man. Good luck.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that was one hell of a transwarp continual. Wilson, you still got the essence extractor.
There it is. Almost lost it.
Or if you would have lost this, the mission would have been for naught.
Look, we're in the right coordinates.
Remember, we're in a plasma organic state.
What the hell does that mean?
Means we're invisible.
Shall we enter?
Entonces necesitamos hablar de este tema porque es muy importante para que comprendamos la violencia que nosotros estamos haciendo a nosotros mismos, no solo a nosotros mismos, realmente
What is he saying?
muchísimo a nosotros
Engage
como
the voice
hombres
modulator.
poder entender este problema de la violencia, sino también esto. Fatal peril. This is what is eating up our society right now. We think we're in the 21st century, that we're so advanced, and we're still eaten up from the inside by this violence amongst us. Where does it come from? From the challenging of the role of superior that men have in our society. When this male role belief system is challenged, we go into our image and we violate. We want to control. What we propose is that we stay in ourselves, that we're able to intimate as opposed to violate. And I think this would be a very, very good opportunity to invite Mr. McClure to talk to us. I know that he has some important disclosure to make to the group. Isn't that right?
Yes, my name is Derry Eugene McClure VI. I've been in the Man Alive program for 7 weeks. Yes, I had a Fatal Peril. Give yourself some release. I had came home from work and I saw a man in my house from which I have never seen in my life. That's when I had the power to decide whether to intimate or violate. I chose to intimate to my wife by listening with an open mind and open heart. And she disclosed that there was a relative whom she haven't seen in many years. Him and I, we intimated, and since then, we have become the best of friends.
Amazing. This is very interesting.
Good morning, gentlemen. My name is Don Dixon. I have been in a Man Alive program now for about 6 weeks. Just the other morning, I was on my way to the cafeteria. And as I went into the cafeteria and got my plate, somebody stole some meat off my plate.
Gentlemen, we're limited on
Then I
time. We
decided
have 1 minute.
The power and the
Engage
tools that I
tempo
have
freeze.
learned from
Yes,
the...
sir.
Extracting from the medulla oblongata.
My God, don't they know they only have 30 seconds before the time warp fluctuator is activated? If they fail, my ship is doomed.
Intern Goldstein, we have 20 seconds to transport.
I'm gonna need at least 15 more seconds.
Intern, you need to be in position now. Code red, code red. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Intern now.
Well, Specialist Wilson, I'm waiting to hear from the Federation about all your promotions.
Too bad intern Goldberg couldn't be here to receive his, Captain.
Yeah, even though he didn't make it back from the 21st century, he is making good use of his time by learning how to eradicate violence.
Down my male role belief system. That gives me the ability to notice and decide whether to intimate or violate. And through intimating will be the end of violence.
Engineers, set a navigational course for the planet Superion.
Are you sure about that decision, Captain?
Yes, we have to introduce the Superions to the essence of the Man Alive program. Engage. Warp speed 7.